Tomorrow morning, we'll wake up in the dark. Take a walk down the little path outside the Airbnb. See where it takes us. The sun will seem reluctant, slowly painting the valley with gentle ribbons of light, taking its time. We'll see Buffalo Mountain, standing tall, an old god who moves so slowly it's on geological time. But to us, frozen and staring down at our mortal valley with its strange smile. We'll find little stories in the grass when we look down, and impossible beauty when we look up. One day, I'll hike to the top. I want to see what it sees, get a taste of its power.